Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we've got a piece of beech on the lathe and we are going to make a pedestal bowl. So right now we're just marking out for a mortise and now for a foot. Alright, we've got the camera into position and the lathe turned on, and now we're just going to turn it to shape. And the first tool we are using is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Just going to get to that bowl shape, obviously leaving a little bit for the pedestal. There's the mid-size rougher. Back to the finisher. There's the rougher, just to clean it all up a bit. Alright, here's the beading cutters made by Easy Wood Tools. And now we're going to use the rougher just to clean the bottom up. There you go. Alright, so now we are going to make the mortise. So we're going to flatten that off first using the mid-size rougher. And now we're going to plunge in and make the mortise. Here's the detailer to match the angles of the jaws in the chuck. And there you go. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so this is just 240 grit here. Being careful not to round over them beads. There you go. Bit of a clean off with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You're just going to wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. There you go, last few wipes. There you go. And some microcrystalline wax. Just going to wipe this all over, make sure you get nice even coverage. Turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and buff it in. Be careful not to push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. There you go, just using your fingertips, build up that heat, buff it in. There you go. Alright, so we've got it flipped round in the chuck now, so now we're going to get to hollowing. So we've got the #1 hollower out for this. As a side note, all tools, putters, even the lathe will be linked down in the description if anybody is interested. Here's the mid-size finisher, just take out any lumps and bumps that might be left over. There you go. Checking the old walls with the old finger calipers. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so this is just 240 grit. There you go. Give it a clean with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Got some sanding sealer. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. So exactly the same as the outside, you just wipe it all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There we go, just some final wipes. There you go. And some microcrystalline wax. So also exactly the same as the outside. Just going to wipe this all over, get nice even coverage, and turn the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200 and buff that in as well. Obviously be careful not to push too hard, you want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. Just use your fingertips, build up that heat and buff it in. Get a nice finish then. There you go. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.